Hi everyone, and welcome to Cat Scratch Kitchen. What if you could get the sweet, savory magic of a McDonald's sausage McGriddle, but without the drive-thru line and big enough to feed the whole family? Today we're turning that iconic breakfast sandwich into the ultimate sausage McGriddle casserole. It's fluffy, it's mapley, and it's packed with savory sausage and cheese. It is so easy to make, and it works for breakfast or dinner. And as an added bonus, this recipe bakes everything right into one giant pancake-style slice, so it holds up beautifully to being fully baked ahead of time. So let's grab our aprons and let's get baking. Okay, I've started out by browning 1 pound of breakfast sausage. Now this is our Jimmy Dean clone that we have on our channel. I'll leave a link in the description. So I'm going to set this aside. I've drained any excess grease off of it. I've also preheated my oven to 350 and just lightly greased a 9 by 13 dish. Now I have 3 cups of a complete pancake mix, one that you just add water. This is the one I'm using. There's several of them out there, but it's just a buttermilk pancake mix and it's add water only. I'm going to add 2 cups of water to it and just whisk it together until it's a nice batter. This recipe is so easy. I'm using sausage like a traditional sausage McGriddle. If you wanted to, you could use bacon instead, or you could use both. You can also cook up your sausage and grate your cheese ahead of time, and in the morning all you have to do is whip up your batter, throw everything in, and you're ready to go for a quick breakfast. It's nice and smooth. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of pure maple syrup and just go ahead and whisk that in. If you haven't checked out our Patreon yet, we've started a new monthly giveaway. If you want to help support our channel and have a chance to win, be sure and click the link in the description. Now, I'm going to add my sausage, which is cool by now. And I'm going to add 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar. And now we're just going to fold everything together. Now you can bake this ahead of time and reheat it, or you can bake it, let it cool, cut it into squares, and save individual portions. It refrigerates well for about 4 days, and it freezes well for a couple of months. Okay, everything's all mixed in well. Now we're going to take our 9 by 13 casserole, and we're going to pour it in. Super simple and so good. Now we're just going to stick it in our 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes, or until a toothpick stuck in the middle comes out clean. So here's our sausage McGriddle casserole, all done, fresh out of the oven. Now I'm going to cut it into squares and we'll serve it up. Now you can serve it up with just a little bit of softened butter on top. And I'm going to pour some syrup right over the top. And there you have it.